Hello, I am Pratiksha Bhosle, and today's my topic is what is clinical research. Clinical research is a branch of medical research that involves people and aims to determine the effectiveness, efficacy, and safety of drug, medication, devices, diagnostic products, and treatment regimens intended for improving human health. This research procedures are designed for the prevention, treatment, diagnosis, or understanding of disease symptoms. Clinical research. The term clinical research refers to the entire process of studying and writing about a drug, a medical device, or a term or a form of treatment includes conducting interventional studies, that is clinical trials or observational studies on human participants. Clinical research can cover any medical method or product from its inception in the lab to its introduction to the consumer market and beyond. The clinical research ecosystem involves complex network of sites, pharmaceutical companies, and academic research institute. Further research is often conducted at academic medical centers and affiliated research studies. Then these centers and sites provide prestige of the academic institution as well as access to larger metropolitan area. There are phases of clinical some phases of clinical research. Following are preclinical research phases. Clinical trials involving new drug are commonly classified into four phases, main four phases. First, each phase of the drug approval process is treated as a separate clinical trial. If the drug successfully passes through phases 1, 2nd, and 3rd and 4th, it will be approved by the National Regulatory Authority for use in the general production or general population. And phase 4 is a post approval studies. This is used for post approval studies. Then the phases first includes 20 to 100 healthy volunteer or individual with the disease or condition. Then the this study typically lasts several months, and its purpose is to prove safety and an effective dosage. Phase second includes a large number of individual participants in the range of 200 to 300, and phase 3 includes some 1000 to 3000 participants to access efficacy and safety of the drug at different doses. Only 25% of drugs advance to the end of phase third. The clinical research is the divided by their countries, research by their country. In the United States, when a text article is unapproved or not yet cleared by the Food and Drug Administration, means FDA, or when an approved or cleared test article is used in a way that may significantly increase the risks. The data obtained from the preclinical studies or other supporting evidences or case studies and off-label use are submitted to the FDA in support of an IND application or investigational new drug application. There are where devices are concerned, the submission to the FDA would be for an investigational device exemption application if the device is a significant risk device or is not in some way exempt from prior submission to the FDA. In addition, may require institutional review board IRD or research ethics board REB and possibly other institutional committee reviews, privacy boards, conflict of committee, radiation safety committee or radioactive drug research committee. In the European Union, EU, the European Medicines Agency (EMA) acts in a similar fashion for studies conducted in their region. These human studies are conducted in 4 phases in research subjects that give consent to participate in the clinical trials.